As you enter the secured gated property of Kalldeen, you can enjoy a country stay like no other. The property is surrounded by 10 acres of grazing paddocks and a small organic orchard for the guests to enjoy. Roam through the paddocks and see the alpacas, sheep and cattle. A relaxing stay in the country while being only 5 minutes to world-class wineries such as the Mission Estate and Church Road. At Kalldeen, we strive to be sustainable, having solar power, eco heat pump backup, a UV water treatment plant, great to drink and feels soft in the shower. We encourage planting a tree to cover your carbon footprint. Your hosts, Lynn and Wayne, will assist you in any way possible. Guest accommodation consists of 2 purpose-built chalets with 50 square metres of open plan living, with a further 30 square metres of private enclosed deck and spa pool, palm garden and water feature. The Cape and Tomato chalets are both self-contained. A further 2 rooms attached to the lodge have separate entrances for you to come and go as you please. All rooms have an espresso coffee machine and tea making facilities, bathroom products, 50-inch smart TV with Sky channels and of course air conditioning. A large swimming pool and AstroTurf tennis court are available to the guests. A guest lounge can be enjoyed with a glass of wine and hors d'oeuvres before going out to enjoy the fantastic dining that Hawke's Bay has to offer. A special experience you will treasure forever. Go on, spoil yourself and enjoy a luxury stay at Kalldeen.